Hey everyone! Hope you're doing great. In this video, I want to show you how to add contacts to any Chinese smartwatch, since the process is very similar across almost all models. Let's get right into the video. First, I recommend making sure both Bluetooth and GPS are turned on your phone. After that, find your smartwatch app's icon, press and hold it, select Gap Info or the Information option, and enable the permissions for nearby devices, location, and contacts. Now, open the application and verify that your smartwatch is connected. If it isn't, go to the Settings tab and look for the Connect Device or Bind Device option. If for some reason your smartwatch doesn't show up in the device list, go to your watch's menu, look for a factory resets, restarts or something similar, and select it. Wait for the watch to turn back on and try the scanning process again. Once your watch is successfully connected, look for the Contacts option and enter that section. Generally, there will be two ways to add numbers. The first option is manually typing the name and phone number. The second option is tapping the Phonebook icon to pull the contacts directly from your phone's address book. In some apps, the contact saves automatically, while in others, you have to look for a sync button, which is usually an icon with two circular arrows, and tap it to sync the added contacts to your watch. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.